Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Quiz Fuse.
We're going up, it's our moment. You're together.
We're good. Between imposter and this monster, I've been lost inside my head. Ain't no choice when all these voices keep.
Just as a prank, but we.
If you are ready, then press the subscribe button. Let's start now. Guess this bright, happy voice speaking now. This fun, happy voice is jazzy.
We're going up, it's our moment. You're together.
Guess this calm, smooth voice right now.
We're good. Between imposter and this monster, I've been lost inside my head. Ain't no.
This soft, smooth voice is Jinu.
Between imposter and this monster, I've been lost inside my head. Ain't no choice when all these voices keep.
Guess this cute, friendly voice right here.
Pick both sides, but I couldn't find.
This friendly, cute voice belongs to Zoey.
I live two lives, try to pick both sides, but I couldn't.
Guess this confident, young voice speaking now.
Then we got our bling, just as a prank, but we like 'em.
This confident, young voice is Stylish
That
Matt.
was so funny. Then we got our bling, just as a prank, but we like 'em.
Guess this tiny, adorable voice playing now.
Make me wanna flip the top. I'm gonna come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop.
This tiny, adorable voice is baby Saja.
Make me wanna flip the top. I'm gonna come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fizz and pop. Ah.
Guess this dark, quiet voice speaking now. This dark, quiet voice is Wednesday. Guess this excited group voice playing now.
From you, it never stops, stop.
This excited group voice is Fun Squad.
From you, it never stops, stop.
Guess this soft, playful voice speaking now.
I don't think you're ready for the takedown. But damn it.
This soft, playful voice belongs to Rumi.
I don't think you're ready for the takedown. But damn it, with no feelings.
Guess this bold, sharp voice speaking now.
너의 모든 걸 나 원해.
Name this YouTuber.
This bold, sharp voice is Abby Saja.
너의 모든 걸 나 원해.
Guess this fast, energetic voice speaking now.
Cartier is cute. You think you're hot? I'll make you simmer. I'll beat you in the spelling because you can't spell.
This fast, energetic voice is Lele.
Cartier is cute. You think you're hot? I'll make you simmer. I'll beat you in the.
Guess this sweet, calm voice speaking now.
You my lonely sister, give me 5. It's the sun about.
Voice is Roma.
You my lonely sister, give me 5. It's
Guess this bright, magical voice speaking now.
take your life. You'll be begging and crying, all of you dying, never miss. The
Bright, magical voice belongs to Mira.
cool,
You'll be begging and crying, all of you.
Wait for next challenge. Don't forget like and subscribe this channel.